What's up, guys? Drew Peacock here in a rush, getting some work done. Finally, alright. This is not it. Not it. Yes. Oof. Little prequel right there. Where the fuck is the other one? Pop out. Show yourself. Expose yourself. Hey, if anyone wants to buy some stock Mustang parts, let me know down in the comments. Alright. I'll explain what's going on right now. Although by the video title, I'm sure you guys already know. But just for starters, let me explain. Evidently. Alright. So today I'm having those bad boys installed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take my car into the shop, have them cut off the cats for off-roading purposes only, and then I'm going to have them install those resonators. Now, I'm apologize if I look like a slob. I legit just got out of work, and I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible because, as you can imagine, the anticipation is killing me. So I'm trying to find something to just clean out the original straight pipes with. Alright, so hopefully she will get louder a little, but not too screaming, obnoxious loud. And maybe she'll sound deeper. And I also don't want any engine codes to flash. So let me clean these out, and then I will head out. Alright, got the pipes all nice and clean. Time to just clean up my mess like a good boy. She is, you guys can't tell, but she is rather dirty. Like I said, I'm rushing this shit. If the video's not the best, I'm sorry. I'll do a in-depth review. I don't know why you'd want to review a resonator, but I'll do an in-depth video on it later. But this is just the install and first look. Run! Alright, let's see if we can get a sound clip of it with the cat still on. So right now we got cats. No, we got long tubes for off-road purposes. We have cats. We have no resonators. Did I just rip my sweater? No. We have no resonators, and we have Bassani mufflers. So let's see. If you can shut up. It's loud. Can I turn on the camera? Is that a thing? No, that was a photo. It's loud, but I want it to scream a little bit more in the lower RPM, and I'm hoping that this will do it. I don't know if you guys can hear me still, but I'm hoping that will do it. So I'm gonna take me to the shop right now, and we'll see what goes from there. Let's see my mirror. Oh, that's way too close. Oh, wait. I gotta like extend it out here to look normal, but we'll take it to the shop. I need some gas first, and then we'll go. Alright guys, it's the next day. It got too dark to record, so I'm gonna record the sound clips and all that good stuff today. But we got the vibrant resonators on, we got the cats off for off-road purposes, and we got my Bassani mufflers. So it's been sitting all day, so it'll be pretty much a cold start. I have my homemade camera mount right here, so turn on my camera, cold start it, let it heat up, and then I'll go around the block. You could actually look under the car. I'll show you what they did. So, oops, let's see. Oh, there they are. All right, so they just welded them on right there, and they just got rid of my cats down that way. You can't really see it, but it's right after the long tubes. I had some high flow cats on, and they got rid of it. So one thing I was worried about was on idle it was going to be just screaming. It's not, so that's one thing I like. But I'll start it up for you guys, and I'll show you what she's all about. Alright, just like last time, same thing, just cold start. way so you guys could hear me better, but it's a little louder. It's cold, or it's a cold start right now, so that's one of the main reasons. Once it warms up, it settles down, but I was worried that it was just gonna like just be ridiculously loud on idle, but it's not too bad. So once it heats up a little, I'll take it around the block and we'll get some sound clips on the camera and we'll go from there. All right, so we're inside the car. It's still cold, but even on cold, look, I'll let you guys just listen. It's not too killer. It's not too killer loud. It's manageable. The drone is about the same. I mean, I didn't expect that to all go down, but it does sound a lot better than it did before. And I mean, like, also I'm gutted, so I don't got shit for soundproofing, but yeah, I mean, it's not too killer. Like I said, once we really start going, then yeah, but we just let it heat up a little bit more. Other thing, since I don't have my cats anymore, is you get that nice go-kart smell. I don't know, I just love just the smell of fucking, you know, cancer. I don't know, I like it though. No sarcasm. Hopefully the audio on that camera isn't too bad. I've used it before. That was for the how to make a free camera video or some shit like that. So hopefully it's not too bad. That'd be a good reference for how it used to sound, because I didn't get any clips of it before with that camera like yesterday. So check out that video if you want to hear how it sounded before, and then this is a good after video, but we'll just go from there. Alright, well, hopefully the audio isn't just fucking wind. Oh wow, the camera actually stayed on. Alright, well, turning this off, I'm going to go check out the footage. There we go. I'm gonna go check out the footage, and hopefully it sounds pretty decent. But yeah, that's just long tubes, resonator, Bassani. That's it. I don't know which Bassanis. I know that they have a few different models, but that's my exhaust setup right now for off-road purposes and Mexico trips. So she needs a little dusting right now. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if it sounds decent. I think it sounds pretty unique. I know it doesn't sound like a typical Mustang, but I don't know, I kind of like it. So I'm thinking about getting some Borlas or some Flowmasters in the back though, just to make it crack a little bit more. But let me check it out. Drop a like, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.